Home improvement projects can make a big difference in both comfort and value, but few upgrades deliver as many lasting benefits as quality replacement windows. For Kendall homeowners, where the sun shines bright and humidity is part of daily life, investing in high-quality windows isn't just about style, it's about performance, protection, and long-term savings. Here's why replacing your old, inefficient windows with premium ones is one of the smartest investments you can make in your Kendall home. Improved energy efficiency year-round. Kendall's warm, tropical climate means air conditioning systems work hard for most of the year. Old or poorly insulated windows can let cool air escape and allow outdoor heat to seep in, driving up energy costs. Quality replacement windows are built with energy-efficient glass, insulated frames, and low-E coatings that reflect heat and reduce solar gain. This means your home stays cooler in the summer without overworking your AC system. The result? Lower energy bills and a more comfortable indoor environment, all while reducing your carbon footprint. Over time, those monthly savings add up, helping offset the cost of your new windows. Enhanced curb appeal and property value. Your windows have a major impact on how your home looks from the outside. Cracked glass, peeling frames, or outdated designs can make your home appear neglected. Upgrading to modern, stylish replacement windows instantly refreshes your home's appearance and boosts its curb appeal. Whether you're planning to stay in your Kendall home for years or sell in the near future, quality replacement windows are a selling point that appeals to buyers. Real estate experts consistently note that homes with energy-efficient, professionally installed windows often sell faster and for a higher price. Better protection against Florida's climate. Kendall homeowners know the challenges of South Florida's weather, from high humidity to strong winds and the occasional hurricane threat. High-quality replacement windows provide the durability and protection your home needs. Modern impact-resistant windows, for example, are built to withstand flying debris and strong gusts, keeping your family and property safer during storms. They also help block moisture, reducing the risk of water intrusion, mold, and structural damage. Choosing windows designed for Florida's coastal conditions ensures that your investment lasts, even in the toughest weather. Increased comfort and noise reduction. Beyond energy efficiency, premium replacement windows improve your everyday living experience. Advanced sealing technology and multi-pane glass help eliminate drafts, maintaining consistent indoor temperatures throughout the home. They also act as a buffer against outdoor noise. Whether you live near a busy street, park, or school, new windows help keep your home peaceful and quiet, so you can relax and enjoy your surroundings without unwanted distractions. Low maintenance and long-term durability. Modern replacement windows are designed to last. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames resist rot, corrosion, and warping, even in humid conditions. Unlike older wooden windows that require frequent repainting or sealing, new windows retain their beauty with minimal upkeep. This means you spend less time worrying about maintenance and more time enjoying your home. When professionally installed, quality replacement windows can last 20 years or more, making them a long-term investment that continues to pay off over time. Enhanced security for your Kendall home. Security is a top priority for any homeowner. Quality replacement windows often come with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass, making them much harder to break or tamper with. These features not only deter potential intruders but also give you greater peace of mind knowing your home and family are better protected. A smart investment for Kendall homeowners. When you add up the benefits, improved comfort, energy savings, safety, and curb appeal, it's easy to see why investing in quality replacement windows adds lasting value to your Kendall home. While cheaper options might seem tempting, they often fall short in performance and durability. High-quality windows, installed by local professionals who understand Kendall's unique climate, deliver long-term results you can count on. Whether your goal is to enhance your home's efficiency, update its look, or increase its value, new replacement windows are an upgrade that pays off for decades, making your home more beautiful, comfortable, and valuable for the long haul.